Hello everyone, I'm Elena Paris. Let's speak about the sounds w and v today.
Некоторые слова со звуком w.
Window, winter, west, whiskers, wild.
Теперь произнесем несколько слов со звуком v.
Very, visitor, volleyball, vowel, vocabulary.
По традиции, tongue twister, скороговорка.
Very well, very well, very well. Willie fell in the well. Very well, very well, very well. Willie fell in the well. If you like my videos, give me the thumb up. Or if you don't, give me the thumb down.
Если вам понравились мои видео, поставьте палец вверх, а если не понравились, тогда вниз. Спасибо. Thank you. Bye.